Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Porvorim police has busted illegal cricket betting gang and has arrested 3 accused persons involved in receiving betting illegally. The names of the arrested accused persons are Maksud Modan, Aasifbhai Jiyaudeenbhai, Rizwan Bhas, and these all accused are residents of Gujarat. After receiving specific information, Porvorim police conducted a raid in a rented bungalow at Pilerne and found that 3 accused persons were taking bet on the cricket match going between India and Bangladesh of Champions Trophy and seized laptop and mobile phone involved in the crime. Value of the seized articles are around 1,10,000 rupees. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.